Hi students, welcome to another session of chemistry. We are discussing the balancing of redox reactions by ion electron method, and we have done one example already. We explained the procedure and we have taken one equation and simultaneously applied the procedure and balanced the equation. So, let us come to the second question, which also we started in the previous class only. Now, we will continue with that question again only. So, let us see what is that question, that is Cr2O7 2 minus, C2O4 2 minus, Cr3 plus, CO2 in acidic medium. So, first what is the procedure to be done? First we have to identify what is reduction and oxidation, then split them into two parts, then balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen first, then balance the oxygen atoms by adding water. So, these are the methods which are there, steps which are there. So, when we just now proceed with that, first you have to identify what is oxidation reduction. Let us see what is. So, already we said oxidation states are only different when there is peroxide, when there is a superoxide, or when there is an oxygen fluorine compound. Otherwise, oxidation state of oxygen is generally -2. So, what is the oxidation state of oxygen here? -2. So, if you calculate or only just you need to see like this, what is oxidation state of oxygen here? -2. So, it is not change, it is -2 here. What is the oxidation state of oxygen here? -2, because it is not a peroxide again or a superoxide again. So, when we take the oxidation state of oxygen here again also -2, here also it is -2, because here it is also again it is not a peroxide or a superoxide. So, need not write oxygen. So, you have to identify in that way. For each which element you just try to write or see exactly which is changing. So, when the arrangement of that atom is changing, around that atom is changing, its oxidation state might change. If you have more oxygens or less oxygens or more hydrogens, something is there around the atom, then you might say it is oxidized or reduced. So, here also directly without calculating oxidation state I can say this one, clear. So, what is this one now? Around chromium we have 7 oxygens, here chromium is there, but without oxygen. So, what is we did? From the Cr2O7 we removed the oxygens. What is removal of oxygen? We say reduction. So, this is how a simple way, without even oxidation state concept you can sometimes write easily, sometimes we are not saying every time. So, that is why the oxidation, a concept which is introduced for simplifying the things also, it should be easy sometimes. So, now this is you can say directly reduction, otherwise let us see what is oxidation state of chromium here. Cr2O7 2 minus, oxygen when becomes -2. So, chromium you are calculating as x, this is 2x, this is -14 is equal to -2, x is equal to +6. So, chromium oxidation state is +6 here and here it is +3. So, chromium is undergoing you can say reduction. What is carbon now here? So, if you calculate again carbon separately, work out this C2O4 2 minus, C2O4 2 minus, oxygen is -2, carbon is x, this is 2x, this is -8 is equal to -2. So, x is equal to +3. means each carbon oxidation state here is +3. Now, what about the carbon oxidation state in this CO2? Oxygen is -2. So, this is x, x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to +4. So, carbon here is +4, means carbon is from +3 it comes to +4. So, we call it as oxidation. See carefully again once, carbon from +6 it is coming to +3, reduction. Carbon it is coming from +3 to +4, oxidation. Clear? So, what we do? We have to write the reactions separately. So, let us write separate reactions. Cr2O7 minus giving Cr3 plus is reduction half reaction. We have to write again separately. Instead of that, what I said is, we will write below it itself and we will do the steps there itself one by one. So, that when you are trying to write the next step, sometimes the students will be doing the charge is missing there, what the charge is there. So, Cr2O7 2 minus is there, but they write Cr2O7 only, they miss that charge. So, next steps will go wrong, because when you finally determine the charges for balancing the charges, we are adding electron, that electrons will go wrong. When electrons go wrong, then reduction and oxidation electrons you have to see equal, that also will go wrong. So, to minimize that, let us do it at a single state. So, let us write RHR here itself. We will write on the left hand side or right hand side to this equation itself. Whatever we add need not add in the here itself, you can add this side also. So, let us do it like that. Similarly, the other equation, what is that? C2O4 2 minus CO2. Just on the right hand side, just give some gap, so that sometimes you are writing the coefficient to this to balance them. So, just give that gap at least. So, this is now oxidation half reaction. Now, first step, balance atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen in both half reactions. Now, what is there here? Chromium. What is there in this? Carbon. See, chromium here and chromium here should be same, carbon here and carbon here should be same, but there are two chromiums here, one chromium here. We can't write 2 here, because this charge is only on one chromium. So, we will take 2 here. Now, in this 2 carbons here, 1 carbon here, write 2 here again. Now, balance the oxygen atoms by adding water where oxygens are less. How many water we are adding? How many oxygen difference you see? That many water molecules we are adding, because in each water molecule you have only one oxygen atom. So, if there are 2 oxygens difference, then you will write 2 H2O. So, here how many oxygens are there? 7. Here how many oxygens are there on right hand side? 0. So, what we will do? We will write 7 H2O here. In this equation, 4 here, 4 here. So, there is no need to add water in this. So, your writing process will become less, and competitive exams we have to take less time for solving the question. But when it is coming in IPA exams are there, you just elaborate the things. For that only you will get marks. So, you have to take that precautions in descriptive exams, IP exams there, but in a competitive exam try to always minimize the number of steps. So, that your time factor will become also efficient or useful or important for us, and also you are not missing anything, because already Cr2O7 2 minus there, Cr2O7 2 minus will be there only, you are not losing the charges or nothing will happen there. Now, so already 4 oxygens here, 4 oxygens here over. So, now what is the condition? Balance the hydrogen atoms by adding H plus. If it is acidic medium, you leave there itself. If it is basic medium, we added OH minus on both the sides. We have to add OH minus on both the sides. Now, this procedure is now acidic medium already we are saying. So, let us say balance hydrogens by adding H plus. So, here no hydrogen, here totally 14 hydrogens are there. So, what we will do? We add 14 H plus here. Now, in this no hydrogens on both the sides. So, no need to do anything. So, no need of adding water now. Now, no need of adding H plus here. Now, because reaction is acidic medium, directly now we will say H plus is there already. Balance the charges by adding electrons. So, here how much charge is there totally? 14 hydrogens which are with plus 1. So, total charge on the this side is plus 14 here, plus 14 on this, here totally minus 2. All this Cr2O7 2 completely, Cr2O7 completely taken, it is minus 2 charge. So, the total charge on the left hand side here is plus 12. What is total charge on this side now? Here 2 and this is plus 3, means each chromium with plus 3 there are 2 in number. So, what should be the charge on the 2 chromiums will be? Plus 6, 2 into plus 3, this is anyhow 0. So, total charge on the right hand side is plus 6. So, we are adding electrons to balance the charges. So, where we have to add? Where the positive unit is more, positive value is more. So, how much positive units are more here? 6 units of positive charge is more here, because it is plus 12, this is plus 6. So, what we should do? Add 6 electrons here, 6 negative charges here, minus 12, plus 12 minus 6 will become plus 6. So, we are adding 6 electrons. You can remove this part which is used for workout. So, plus 6 electrons here. So, that now the charge on both the sides will become plus 6 here and plus 6 there. Now, what is in this case? The total charge on the 2 carbons and 4 oxygens completely together is minus 2. So, left hand charge is minus 2. And what is the right hand charge here? 0. Carbon dioxide is a molecule. So, the carbon dioxide charge totally is 0, 2 are there even. So, this charge is totally 0. So, where the positive side is there? That is positive compared to this 0. So, how many units are you are adding there electrons? How many units of negative charge we should add there? So, how much of units of positive charge is more there? 2 units of positive charge is more, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So, what we are doing? We are bringing the 0 charge to minus 2, reducing it, because electron is adding means we are reducing the positive charge. So, 2 units of charge is less, you have to reduce. So, add 2 electrons here. So, let us remove this, which you can do side also. Now, each half reaction is balanced with respect to charges, with respect to atoms, everything. Now, we have to add these two reactions to get the complete equation. But here 6 electrons are there, here 2 electrons are there. We have to see that the electrons must be same. Then we can add these. So, how much 6 and 2, what should be done? How to make it equal? Multiply this with 2 or multiply this with 6, they become equal, or simply multiply this equation only with 3, it becomes equal. So, multiply this with 3. So, when you multiply this with 3 directly, we will write here, replace the coefficients now. So, this becomes 3, this becomes 2 into 3, 6, this becomes 2 into 3, 6. So, now what is it? Electrons are same, we say these two reactions now can be added, because in a reduction and oxidation number of electron must be same, or in a redox reaction electrons will not come from outside, one molecule or one compound gives to the other one. So, one will give electrons, other will take electrons. So, the electrons which are gained is lost by someone, or electrons which are lost here gained by the some other one. So, the electrons will be equal. We just already did that, just write the coefficients. Any order you can follow, it is not a systematic thing like you have to write this first or this first or this first. Left hand side components you write, right hand side components you write, that is it. So, it is now 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3C2O4 2 minus is giving 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 6CO2, that is it. This is the balanced equation for this reaction. So, let us take a basic medium equation now, we will see how we will balance it. So, let us take MnO4 minus plus I minus MnO2 plus IO3 minus basic medium. So, again how it should be done. So, here 4 oxygens are there, here 2 oxygens are there, means we remove the oxygens from this. So, I directly say this is reduction. Even if we calculate oxidation state concepts, you will get. So, what is oxidation state of manganese here? Plus 7, oxygen minus 2. So, oxygen here is minus 2, oxygen here is also minus 2, oxygen here is also minus 2, because there is no peroxide, there is no superoxide, there is no oxygen fluorine compound. So, it is always minus 2 always. So, here now oxygen is done in this, this is minus 1 iodine, because it is in a simple ion, monoatomic ion, charge is oxidation state. So, this is minus 1. Now, here manganese is, this is minus 2. So, the manganese total charge should be plus 4, and here iodine, this is minus 2, total charge on the oxygens is minus 6, but we are left out with minus 1. When you add iodine and oxygen, we are getting totally minus 1 charge. So, what it should be? It should be plus 5. So, it is coming from iodine coming from minus 1 to plus 5. So, what you can say? This is oxidation and this is reduction. So, let us write MnO4 minus MnO2, I minus IO3 minus, reduction, oxidation, half reactions. First, balance atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen, manganese, manganese, done. Iodine, iodine, done. Next, balance oxygen by adding water, 4, 2, add 2 H2O here, 0, 3, 3 H2O here. Balance hydrogen atoms by adding H plus, 0 on this side, we are having 4 here. So, add 4 H plus here. Now, first systematically do with H plus, we will come to know later stages slowly. Now, here it is 6 here, 0 here. So, we write 6 H plus here. Now, what I should do now? Reaction is basic. So, the fifth step which were discussed there should be applicable now. What is that? If the reaction is basic medium, add OH minus equal to the H plus what are there in both equations on both sides. So, in this there are 4 H plus. So, we will add 4 OH minus here, 4 OH minus here. In this 6 H plus here. So, we will add 6 OH minus here and 6 OH minus here. But whenever we add H plus and OH minus, immediately they become water. So, the side where H plus and OH minus are there, it immediately becomes H2O, that is 4 H2O, and here it becomes 6 H2O. So, you are having 3 H2O here, 6 H2O, you can simplify here. You are having 4 H2O, 2 H2O, you can simplify here before balancing the charges also, as leave it also. We will do at the last stage, at the last step we do. We write all water on the right hand side, all the water on the left hand side, then we just bring our OH minus on right hand side, left hand side, everything we write, then we finally simplify simply. That is the best procedure if we do also, and initially it is the best procedure. So, what is the charge on water now? 0. What is the charge on this is -1. So, what is the left hand charge totally? -1 charge is there, left hand side. We have to balance the charges now. What is the charge here? 0. What is the charge here? 0. What is the charge totally here? -4, because each OH is -1. So, total charge on the left hand side is -4. So, -1 here, -4 here. So, how many units of positive charge is more here? 3, -1, -2, -3, -4. 3 units you are moving back. So, you have to decrease the 3 units here. So, to decrease the 3 units, we are adding 3 electrons here. So, you can say these are actually cancelled like H2O. Again, no charges count, even you count it, that becomes 0 only. So, here 6 minus, so you can remove this part. Here 6 minus, here -1. So, total charge here is -7, because water is anyhow 0. Here each one is -1, so -1 only. Here anyhow 0. So, what is left hand charge now? -7. What is right hand charge? -1. So, how many units of negative charge is more here? A positive charge is more here? 6 units, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, 6 units you are moving back. So, add 6 electrons here. That is it. So, each equation is balanced. Now, 3 and 6. So, multiply this equation only with 2, so that they become equal. Now, write down here. So, this is 6 electrons, 8 H2O. This equation we are multiplying and writing 2 MnO4 minus, which is a reduction of reaction, 2 MnO2, 4 H2O plus 8 OH minus. Now, add, that is it. So, what is this now? 6 OH minus, this is 8 plus 3 11 H2O, this is I minus, this is 2 MnO4 minus, IO3 minus, 6 H2O plus this one 10, this is 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus. So, now simplify, water is there, you simplify, H2 OH minus, OH minus, simplify. So, this will cancel completely, this is 2, this will completely cancel, this is 1. So, H2O, that is it. This is the answer for us. So, if you see the charges will be balanced, everything will be balanced in this. Clear? So, we will continue with the next session with the other examples and other methods. Thank you.